As building costs rise, the construction sector has shifted to new materials and technologies that enhance design capabilities and productivity. Traditional on-site building construction has made way to lightweight, prefabricated and modular construction. As the nature of buildings evolves, this industry movement has ramifications for fire safety. In modular construction, we examine fire-resistant materials such as steel protection, walls, floors, ceilings, and fire stopping in precise manner. Steel protection. During a fire event, steel starts to lose its load-bearing capacity at a temperature in excess of 550 degrees Celsius. Promat can provide different fire protection materials such as Promatect fire-resistant board, Promat Kafko vermiculite spray, and intermescent paint systems for protection of modular steel structures. Walls. Fire separation generally needs to be continuous across any wall system. We can offer Promatect steel stud partitions or Promatect solid laminate partitions. Floors and ceilings. As with internal walls, designers and specifiers must be cognizant of the differing fire performance requirements for load-bearing and non-load-bearing ceiling and floor systems. Promatect mezzanine floors and ceilings, as well as System Floor FR, a two-way load-bearing floor assembly, are available from Promat. Fire stopping. Fire stopping prevents unprotected penetrations from creating a path for fire and smoke to spread throughout a building. Promat can offer a number of fire-stopping solutions, such as Promaseal fire-resistant sealants, Promaseal fire collars, Promaseal bulkhead bats and Promaseal super wrap for wrapping metal surfaces. For more details, please contact Promat, the experts in passive fire protection and high-performance insulation. Promat.